Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Daniel, that's Anita, and today we are off the coast of Keelung, which is a city to the east of Taipei. It's a port city, and today we're on this little island called Keelung Islet. So it's a very small island, it's somewhat uninhabited. They just opened it up for tourists and visitors recently, so I think a few years ago, and it's only open for a couple of months out of the year. So we took a train here from Taipei main station and then a taxi to the harbor and then a boat to the island.
Hi, are you looking forward or you just feel like tired?
I'm so excited.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes.
I'm too big.
Skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out.
Now, the island is not that far from the coastline, but the boat is rather small. So think about like a small fishing boat, like a sport fishing boat. You know, there was a lot of wind today, so it was absolutely crazy as we were trying to not fall off the boat. I mean, the waves were giant and everyone was, it was rocking and all over the place, and there's a lot of people that got seasick. I was almost there, but I was able to hold it in. But it was crazy, yeah. I mean, we ended up all wet because the waves were so big and the wind was so strong, so it was kind of funny. Yeah, so we are on the island now, and we're gonna do some exploring. We're gonna check some stuff out.
Saw your face in the crowd and I think we locked eyes. Her she's perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise. When I met you in the doorway, I had a friend, you're a friend. Never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you, 'cause I swear you deserve everything.
Lots of bugs.
We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do.
There's some stairs up to a lighthouse, which we probably won't do because we're tired and we're lazy. We definitely got the drone out and we captured some really, really sick shots, so stay tuned and check those out. So the cool thing about this island, it's mostly volcanic. So you can tell from a lot of the rocks, it's dark, it's porous. It feels a lot like Hawaii, those kind of really jagged rocks. But once the greenery grows around it, it actually makes for a really beautiful scene.
And I tell you too, I say that I'm
So it's definitely beautiful. Hear the waves lapping, and the ocean sounds. And then the breeze is just perfect. The temperature is probably like high 70s, low 80s, perfect humidity. So it's a really, really actually a nice day to roam around the island here. So it's a bit of a trek from Taipei, maybe about an hour, and then, 30, 40 minutes on the boat too. But it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's definitely worth a trip if you're trapped in the big city and you want to get out. So definitely recommend it. So what'd you think?
I think it's really beautiful because I've never come up here in my life, so I think it's really worth it. It's beautiful.
How much was it from Keelung here? Like
I
the
think
cost
it's
of the
like-
tour and everything?
I think it's like within $30.
Yeah. That's not bad at all. I
Yeah.
mean, the boat didn't just come directly here, even though I wish it did because it was really, really up and down and wavy. But actually, they did like a tour of the coastline as well, and
Yeah.
then came to the island. So you got a little tour of that. It was pretty cool. There's nice cliffs, and I wasn't able to film everything because it was really crazy. And there's water coming onto the boat. Like I was all wet, and I didn't want to risk the camera, you know.
Yeah.
So I think for the price, it's not bad. And then once we were on the island itself, there was like a little tour. The guy kind of showed you around and then gave us a couple hours just to, do whatever we wanted. So it was nice.
Yeah. It's a cool trip, except the boat is too small and Daniel complains about
I
it.
think the boat's a little small for those waves, man. We were all over the place.
Yeah, it's all wet when we arrive.
This is our breakfast. It's
Yeah.
like a Taiwanese sticky rice burrito with like vegetables and meat on the inside. It's
Yeah.
pretty good.
Thanks for watching.
Like, subscribe, comment, show us some love. We always appreciate it, and see you in the next one.
Bye.